Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you about practice problems. So, second episode na yata ito ng geometry natin. So, nalaman na natin kung ano yung 90 degrees angle. So, let's try to solve these problems. So, this is called, ano ba tawag dito? Right angle. Ibig sabihin, it will form 90 degrees. So, ilagay natin dito yung solution kung paano natin solve tong problem na to. So what we're going to do is, we all know that angle 1 plus angle 2 will add up to 90 degrees. So therefore, substitute lang natin yung value ng angle 1, which is 5x plus 4 plus 7x minus 10 is equals to 90. Kasi yun yung value niya. Yun yung given value natin. So what we're going to do next is, we're going to combine like terms. So 5x plus 7x is 12x. And then 4 minus 10 is negative 6. Equals siya sa 90. So, transpose lang natin yung 6 sa kabila. We will get 96. So, divide both sides by 12. What we're going to get is 8. Am I right? So, 8 ang makukuha natin. So that's it. So, ang next na gagawin natin is, i-substitute natin yung value ng x doon sa corresponding algebraic angles. So, substitute natin. X is equals to 8. Lagyan lang natin dyan. Wait lang. X plus 8 yun na. So, x equals to 8. So, lagyan natin yung angle 1. Ano ba yung angle 1 natin? So, angle 1 natin is 5. Tapos, replace lang natin yung x ng 8 plus 4. So, angle 1 is 5 times 8 is 40 plus 44. Makukuha natin is 44. 40 plus 40 pala. So, 44. So, yun yung measure ng angle 1. 44 degrees. So, paano naman yung angle 2? So, same thing. We're going to substitute the value of x na hinanap natin kanina. So, angle 2 is 7. Replace natin yung x ng 8 minus 10. And then, angle 2 is 7 times 8 is 56. And then, minus natin sa 10. So, meron tayong 46. So this is it for this. So now let's go to our next problem. Let me just delete all of this thing. Or maybe no. Let's check natin. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 90. So, i-substitute lang natin yung mga values na kinuha natin. So, 90 is equals to 90. So, tama tayo. So, that's it for this problem. I think we're done. So, now let's go to our second problem. So, as you can see, meron ulit tayong acute angle. So, it will measure 90 degrees ulit. So, 40 plus x lang to equals to 90. So, move lang natin yung 40 sa kabila. So, we have 50 degrees. So, that's it. Ang x value natin, 50 degrees. No need to substitute kasi yun yung mismo. So, now let's go to our third problem. So, as you can see here, we have a straight angle, or you can call this supplementary angle. It will always add up to 180 degrees. So, ang gagawin natin, x plus 60 plus 70 is mag-equal sa 180 degrees kasi yung definition of supplementary angle. So, combine like terms natin. 60 plus 70 is 130 is equals to 180. So, what we're going to do is transpose 130 sa kabila. So, magiging negative siya. And then, do the math. Subtract natin. So, ang x value is 50 degrees. So, yan. 50 degrees. So, now let's move on to our last problem. So, number 4. So, as you can see, meron tayong quadratic, may second power tayo. So, mahaba-haba to. So as you can see here, meron tayong obtuse angle. Obtuse supplementary. So lahat ng ito is mag-aarap sa 180 degrees. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degrees. So substitute lang natin yung value ng angle 1. So x squared plus 16 plus value ng angle 2 is 20x minus 25 equals to 180 degrees. So what we're going to do next is combine like terms. So we have, write natin yung 180 and let's just combine like terms. So x squared plus 16 minus 25 lang yan, 20. Kopyahin muna natin pala siya, 20x minus 16 minus 25 is negative 9, 180. So, transpose natin to and ilagay natin siya sa standard form ng quadratic equation. So, yan. So, meron na tayong ganyan. 189 kapag transpose natin, 0. So, next. So, as you can see, laki-laki ng number natin. So, pwede natin siyang use ng factorization. For this problem, I'm just going to use quadratic equation. Hope you guys remember quadratic equation, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, ano bang gagawin natin dito? Hanapin natin yung mga values niya. So, yung a is 1, sa gilid ng x is 1, ang b is 20, ang value ng c natin is negative 189. So, ito yung mga value natin, substitute lang natin sa formula, and that thing, we will get the answer. So, try natin. So, ang value ng b natin is 20, so negative b, plus or minus, the square root of 20 squared. 20 squared minus 4, tapos a is 1, and then value ng c natin is negative 189. So, kulang tayo ng bubong. Okay. 2ac. Ay, 2c ba? Okay. 2a? 2a pala. Dito tayo guys. So, now, we have this. So, let's just do the math. 20 squared is 400 minus 4 times 189. Yung ganyan is 7,500. 756 divided by 2. So, x equals to negative 20 plus or minus. Combine na natin to 400 plus 756. So, we get 1,056 over 2. So, nasa na ba tayo? So, x equals to negative 20 plus or minus. So, square root of 156 is 34 over 2. So, hiwalay lang natin to. Tanggalin natin itong mga to. So, we have x equals to negative 20 plus 34 over 2 equals to negative 20 minus 34 equals to 2. So, 34 minus 20 is 14 over 2. And x equals to, as you can see here, negative number siya. So, baka naman tayo magkukuha ng negative value. So, this is, hindi natin consider the solution. So, x equals to 7. So, positive yung x value. Pwede natin siyang gamitin sa angle. Pwede naman natin gamitin yung isa, pero negative siya. So, it's cringe or pangit. So, as you can see here, ang x value natin is 7. So, substitute lang natin siya sa lahat ng x values. So, 7 squared plus 16. 7 squared is 49 plus 16. And angle 1 is considered ano ba? 49 plus 16. 65. So, ang angle 1 natin is 65. So, now, i-substitute natin to sa, angle 2. So, measure natin. Ano kaya yan? So, angle 2 is 20 times 7 squared. 16. Angle 2 is 20. 7. 49 plus 16. So, angle 2 is, well, this is too big. I think I have made a mistake. Ano kaya yung mistake natin? So, pwede nyo naman tignan kung ano yung mali natin dyan. So, try natin. Let's do this long multiplication. So, 1080 plus 16. Lampas na siya ng obtuse angle. So, I think my mistake is nalagyan natin na squared yung 7. Which is hindi pala. So, naduling tayo guys. Yung angle 1 at angle 2. Ginawa natin doon. So, may basic way dito. So, alam naman natin yung value ng angle 1. So, bakit hindi na lang natin ganito? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degrees. Kasi supplementary angle naman siya. So, ang angle 1 natin is 65. Ang angle 2 natin is angle 2 pa rin. So, 180. So, to solve for angle 2, what we're going to do is transpose 65 sa kabila. So, magiging negative siya. So, 180 minus 65 is, you can guess it. Maybe we can just subtract. So, 180 minus 65. Let's do the math. Let's cancel the 8. Borrow an 8. So, 7 na lang siya. So, we have 1 here. And 1. Okay, 1, 1, 15. So, that's it. That's the answer for this, problem. And thank you.